Most people are wasting money on floor scrubbers. Let's fix that in 90 seconds. Here's the truth. It's not about buying the biggest machines. It's about taking care of what you already have. Most breakdowns caused by skipping the simple daily checks, cleaning the brushes, emptying the dirty water, checking your battery. Also, just because a machine says energy saving doesn't mean it actually saves your money. What matters is battery life, noise levels, real electricity costs. Don't buy into those buzzwords. As for real data, one tip most sellers won't tell you: the wrong brush can damage your floor. Hard brush, use it for concrete. Soft brush, use it for marble. Ask for the right match, or you will pay later. Real solutions: choose the right machine size. Don't overpay for features you will never use, and keep up with daily care. Simple, smart, cost-effective. Want real, honest advice? Hit follow and subscribe. We'll tell you what most people won't.